I think this is something na we are all familiar. Boiling. Very aggressive yung movement na nangyayari dun sa loob. At this point, this is at 100 degrees Celsius. And we have stock here. And this is where we will cook our pasta. You don't put pasta ng hindi rolling boil yung inyong water dahil siya ay malulubsak. What I love about pasta dishes is how simple it can get. Gawa tayo alio-olio. Generous amount of oil. I will now add in yung ating garlic. Let's slice up some chilies. Let's just toss back in yung ating pasta para lang ma-coat yung strands ng ating masarap at mabangong oil. Mag-garnish lang tayo isa dun sa mga products ng The Apiary Crispy Mushroom. So yun yung parang pinaka-garnish natin sa kanya. Magbibigay ito ng different depth doon sa ating dish dahil may crunch